In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to Heat, Sound and Vibration. Then choose Phone Ringtone and Vibrate here, and thanks to this switcher, next to Vibrate when ringing, enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. If you want to, you can also go back, scroll all the way down and click on More Sound Settings over here. Then use this switcher next to Vibration on Touch to switch on or off haptic feedback for touches, keyboard and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!